When it comes to window installation, the choice of contractor can make all the difference in the final outcome. Your home's windows not only provide crucial insulation and protection from the elements but also contribute significantly to its overall aesthetic. Choosing the right company ensures that you get a durable, high-quality installation that meets both your functional and design needs. One name that consistently stands out in the window installation industry is East Coast Window Installers, Inc. Here's why this company should be your top choice for window installation services. Expertise and experience. East Coast Window Installers, Inc. boasts years of experience in the industry, providing expert window installation services to homeowners across the East Coast. With a team of highly trained professionals, they are equipped with the knowledge and skills to handle any type of window installation project, from basic replacements to complex custom jobs. Their extensive experience allows them to understand the nuances of different window types, building structures, and local climate conditions, ensuring a precise and efficient installation. Wide range of window options. One of the major advantages of working with East Coast Window Installers, Inc. is their diverse selection of windows. Whether you are interested in traditional double-hung windows, energy-efficient options, or stylish bay windows, they offer a variety of high-quality products to meet your preferences. With numerous materials such as vinyl, wood, and fiberglass, as well as an array of colors, sizes, and finishes, their team helps you choose the perfect windows that complement your home's style while enhancing its energy efficiency. Energy efficiency and cost saving. In today's world, energy-efficient windows are more important than ever. East Coast Window Installers, Inc. specializes in installing windows that are designed to improve your home's insulation, reduce energy consumption, and ultimately lower your utility bills. Their selection includes windows with advanced features like low-E glass coatings, argon gas insulation, and multi-pane designs that keep your home comfortable year-round. By choosing their energy-efficient windows, you can enjoy a more sustainable home while saving money in the long run. Attention to detail and precision. When it comes to window installation, precision is key. A window that isn't installed correctly can lead to drafts, water leaks, and even compromised security. East Coast Window Installers, Inc. takes pride in its meticulous approach to each installation, ensuring that every window is fitted securely and aligned perfectly. Their team uses the latest technology and installation techniques to guarantee long-lasting results, so you can feel confident that your windows will perform at their best. Professional customer service. Customer satisfaction is at the heart of everything East Coast Window Installers, Inc. does. From your first consultation to the final installation, their friendly and professional staff is dedicated to providing exceptional service. They take the time to listen to your needs, answer your questions, and offer expert advice. Their transparency in pricing and clear communication helps ensure that there are no surprises along the way. With East Coast Window Installers, Inc., you're not just another job. They treat every customer with the respect and attention they deserve. Timely and efficient installation. when it comes to home improvement projects, timelines matter. East Coast Window Installers, Inc. understands that your time is valuable, which is why they work diligently to complete installations on schedule. Their team is efficient without sacrificing quality, ensuring that your window installation is done right the first time. Plus, they minimize disruptions to your daily routine by keeping the work area clean and organized throughout the process. Competitive pricing and financing options. High-quality window installation doesn't have to break the bank. East Coast Window Installers, Inc. offers competitive pricing for all of their window installation services, making it an affordable option for homeowners. They also offer flexible financing options to help you spread the cost over time, so you can get the windows you need without stretching your budget. Comprehensive warranty and peace of mind. East Coast Window Installers, Inc. stands behind the quality of their work with a comprehensive warranty on both their windows and installations. This commitment to quality ensures that, should any issues arise after installation, you'll receive the support you need. Knowing that your investment is protected gives you peace of mind and makes East Coast Window Installers, Inc. a reliable and trustworthy partner for your home improvement needs. Conclusion. Choosing East Coast Window Installers, Inc. for your window installation project offers numerous benefits, from their expertise and experience to their commitment to customer satisfaction. With a wide range of window options, energy-efficient solutions, and competitive pricing, they're dedicated to making your home more beautiful, comfortable, and energy-efficient. For high-quality, professional window installation services you can trust, East Coast Window Installers, Inc. is the smart choice.